Welcome to today's video about HTML. It is presented to you by Hope Igbala from QuickWeb Technologies. HTML is the standard markup language for web pages. With HTML, you can create your own website, and HTML is very easy to learn. I promise you will enjoy it. This is the first video on my channel on HTML, which will lead to you knowing how to design web pages or website, dynamic website, a responsive website. So first of all, as you can see on the screen, this is the basic structure of an HTML page. Let me complete that. This is the basic structure of an HTML page. It contains the doc type. The first thing you see there is the doc type. The doc type is a declaration that defines the type of document we are working on, which is HTML, in this case HTML5. Now the HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. This is what I mean by the doc type. This is the doc type. This is the doc type. This is the HTML element. This is the HTML element. The language you see here is the language I'm using on this particular web page, which is English. And the next item there is the head. Remember, the HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element is the title element specifies the title for the HTML page. And the body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible content such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. The H1 tag you see here, the H1 tag you see here is used for defining a large heading. A large heading. Another item we have is the P element. The P element defines a paragraph.